The Industrial Revolution. It completely changed the way people lived, the way they worked, and even the way they imagined the future.
Miss Vance, what happens when AI replaces us?
That's a difficult question. Where am I?
Welcome to Global Learning.
No, please, not this. This is unacceptable! We are not replaceable! 2 days. How am I supposed to finish all of this? Research, writing, revisions, submitting in 2 days. I don't have enough time. I need help. Who are you? I am here to help. It's beautiful. It's the answer. Come, let me show you something. So, AI isn't replacing everyone. It's changing how people work.
Researchers at Johns Hopkins highlight something important. AI is transforming tasks and skills.
So the future isn't already decided.
1. Analytical thinking. 2. Creative thinking. 3. Curiosity. And 4. Lifelong learning.
Remember, AI isn't perfect. It can make mistakes. Only humans can question, verify, and correct them. Imagine the Industrial Revolution empowered by AI, steam engines chugging and factories pulsing with energy. This was a complete urban landscape.